have a very fresh orange juice. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Edika grocery store. Ay, Reve. Sorry guys. Yeah, we are in Reve, your grocery store, one of the grocery stores here in
Why
Germany.
did you just say Edika?
And we get a very fresh.
Why did you say Edika?
Yeah, for that. You better drink it and then we fill it up. Okay. Uy, kawawa ka naman. Okay na. Hi! Hello! Ayan, dito lang po tayo sa bahay. Ito yung ating mga pinamili. Marami tayong pinamili dahil mag-bake tayo ng cake, ay na muffin. At itong mga lagayan. At nag-grocery na rin para sa ating pagkain for the whole day. And para na rin bukas. Dahil bukas po ay meron pong mag-birthday. Because there's a birthday girl tomorrow. And she's getting 40 years old. Ay,
6.
6 years old. So we bought her something this for her cake. Yeah, but we're gonna bake
Cupcake.
for muffin. But we're gonna put this for muffin. Yeah? She said, I will blow a cake. You said, right?
No, I didn't even say that.
You said.
No.
But we're gonna
I didn't even say that. I said a cake, but not a muffin. I said cake.
yeah, you're gonna blow this in a cake, right?
Yeah, but I don't know where the cake.
Yeah. We will only bake a muffin. Ipakita namin yung mukha niya. Kinahilaw siya.
I don't want to blow a muffin. I want to blow a cake.
But we have no cake. It's okay, right?
No,
Why? Why is it okay?
because I can do whatever I want on my birthday.
Yeah, I know, but I don't believe that. But, Arya, you can also blow in a muffin, like a small muffin, right?
No, that's too small.
You want to blow in a cake,
Yeah,
but we have no cake. Where we get a cake?
from the store.
From the store? Ah, next time. Because I bought a lot. I have not enough money anymore. Oh, kawawa naman to siya. Hindi niya alam na nakabili na tayo ng cake. Yeah. It's a surprise na rin sa kanya. Hindi niya alam. Pero tingnan niyo na, lonely siya. She's lonely because she has no cake. But it's okay, yeah? Next time, in your 7th birthday.
No, I want to the 6th birthday.
Oh. But you could blow in the muffin.
No, it's too small, mommy.
So you want to blow in a cake?
Yeah.
Okay, we will find out how to make a cake, yeah? Is it okay if a rice cake?
Rice? I don't
You?
like rice cake.
It's like a...
No.
What cake you like?
I like,
Chocolate?
yeah, chocolate.
Ah, strawberry!
No, I like chocolate.
Mix of strawberry and chocolate, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so... Kasi yun yung nabili natin, kaya... Yeah.
Mommy.
But you have no cake in your 6th birthday. In your 7th birthday, it's okay.
No, in the 6th.
Why?
Because I want it. My birthday can do whatever I want on my birthday.
Here. So, you're gonna blow your cake in a muffin cake.
Mm-hmm.
Malungkot ikaw, girl. Hindi niya alam. Meron na pala
Which
siyang-
side?
Yeah, the right side, Hindi niya alam. Hindi niya alam na ang laman,
It's hard.
ang laman nito ay akala niya mga ano lang, pang muffin. Yeah, it's hard a bit. So there is a lonely girl because she has no cake, pero di niya alam na ito yung cake. Akala niya muffin. Okay, let's go. Hindi pa na-open ni Arya yung kanyang calendar. And today is 11, December 11. And tomorrow is her birthday. So this is your advance calendar for today. Today is...
11.
Yeah.
I already know actually.
Oh. You saw it already because it's so big. We cannot put it inside. But it's okay.
No. I saw it yesterday, last night.
Oh, you're sneaking in my bag. So, what you get? Look, here's my...
Look,
Yeah. So,
something else.
hmm?
Wait.
No, that's all.
Why only one? Because I saw the packet more stuff.
You look you do like here because smile here. I will take a picture. So Arya got what is it, Langga?
It's a book.
Book? No, it's a journal. It's a notebook.
Yeah, it's a notebook.
Yeah. So what you gonna say?
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Santa.
It's Mommy.
Thank you, Santa.
No, it's Mommy.
Yan, ito po yung ating nag-grocery kanina. Hindi na makapag-vlog kay. Ang dami kasi. Tapos mabigat. Nahirapan ako. Ito po yung ating mga pinamili kanina. First, of course, yung ating kape. Coffee is life. We have XL. Magkasya po siya sa Nespresso na machine. Kaya ito yung binili natin. Tsaka mas mura siya. Nescafe at tsaka Jacobs. And then, meron tayong itlog. Free house fryland. So, may freedom yung mga chicken nito, mga nanay nito. Kaya, okay lang yung bio tsaka yung fry hand doon. And then, magluluto po tayo ng adobo. Kaya na-miss na lang ni Arya. Meron tayong atay. 2 pakong atay. Ito, anong tawag nito? Batikulon. Hindi ito. Hearts and heart pala to. Heart. And, imimix din natin siya sa chicken. Bita ng buong chicken. Kaya alam niyo yung buong chicken, €5.99. Yung walang skin na chicken, dito sa Germany, mas mahal. Nasa €6.99. 500 gram lang yun. Ito, 1 kilo na siya. €8 pala to. Nabasa ko kanina, €5.99. €5.99 yung kilo. So, €8 ang price nito kasi 1.3. Yeah?
I'm bored.
You're bored. So, what we're gonna do with your boredom? So, mix
I
it
have
into
a playmate.
Playmate. Where we get the Playmate?
I don't know.
Sorry. Ay, oo nga pala. Arya is now here at home kasi kanina we brought her in kindergarten. And then, when we were in kindergarten, they said, oh, Group A must stay at home because today
It's group what?
Yeah, it's Group B and C because there is no enough staff. No? Dito po wala pong mga teacher kaya nagkasakit. Yung iba, wala. Tsaka kulang yung...
Huh? How's Manal and Heital allowed?
They're not in Group A. They're in Group B, I think. B or C. Like that.
No, they're M.
Yeah, they're Group C. So, dito po sa Germany, is kulang talaga ng manpower. Kaya palagi sila nag-hire. They need, wait, I will talk first. So, they need manpower workers dito. Kailangan ng mga nurse, mga teachers sa kindergarten, sa hotel. Yan yung, at saka bawan, construction, IT. Yan, kailangan dito kasi ang iba kasi mga masyadong maaarte, kaya ayaw nila mag-work ng mga ganyan. Gusto na mga higher positions or yung madali lang na trabaho ba. Tsaka mostly naman sa mga Germans, ito is nag-university or yung mga sa office, yan ang gusto nilang trabaho. And gusto na mga specialty, mga gusto talaga nila, mga hobbies. Yung mga ganyan, mga medyo mabigat na trabaho, like sa kindergarten, pagiging teacher, hindi po madali talaga kasi lalo na lang, araw-araw mong maririnig yung mga bata. Sus, ginoo ko, mabubungol. Bungol pa talaga. Yeah?
Is my friend's group, if it's the first letter of the name, that means they're allowed?
I'm not really sure how they do it. But, yeah, it's from the name. Like Arya. You're Group A.
But,
Yeah.
M.
Yeah, M. It's in the last part. So, it's letter C. Group C. Manal.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why. So, I have to finish now so we can eat our lunch. Kasi 12 pa naman. Kaka-brunch lang natin kasi after kindergarten, dito tayo umuwi. Mga, oras tayo nagkain? Around almost 10 na.
Mama.
And then, na-grocery. Yeah?
Oh, Vital.
Arital, last. Group B. Ito, para sa... magpansit pala tayo. Kaya tayo nagbili nito. Pangpansit natin. Sweet paprika.
How's Alexander?
And then this one is sugar. We have sugar and we have mel. Ano yung mel? Hindi, flour. Ayan. Flour for our muffin for Arya's birthday. And ang topics natin is itong ating himbeeren. Oh. Kasi mga bata, better talaga na fruits, vegetables. So we have 2 packs of himbeeren. And then we have also, heidelbeeren. Anong tawag ito? Nakalimutan ko na naman. Blueberry. Ayan. And then, para sa ating pansit. Yeah, ang pansit. And para sa ating movie marathon. And sa ating muffin again. Meron tayong baking powder. And meron tayong vanilla. Naghanap ako ng vanilla flavor. Hindi ako nahanap dun. Kaya, vanilla sugar na lang. Okay lang yan. And then, we also have here. Ito na lang naiwan. Carrots for our pancit. Ay, namimigay pa sa nito, oh. Ang saya-saya ni Arya. Nakatanggap siya ng free stickers. Yeah, sticker and clay. Yan, so, may mga pinamimigay dito. At dito pala, merong mga pong-pong, no? Kapag bibili ka, meron ka mga points. Kung magkano yung bili mo, mas dadami yung points mo. Pero, hindi pa ako nakakuha niyan. Kaya next time magkuha tayo. Kaya sayang din, may mga pa-premium. Merong 1 million euro premium. So, mag-impisa na po akong magluto. But first, gusto ko uminom ng coffee. Kaya magkape tayo. Kape-kape muna. Ay, yeah. Coffee, and then iwan. Kunti na lang. So good. Meron pa tayong naiwan ito na giniling na may carrots and potato. Yung naluto natin kagabi. Kunti na lang siya. Ang sarap niya. Ang sarap talaga ng karne na rin, no, or beef.
Naman,
Ay.
Can we go to Chloe's?
Mag-refill na tayo ng ating coffee. Alam niyo. Wala lang laman. Kaya refill natin. Ayan. Madami na naman tayong kakape. Ay. Sa ano kasi, kapag magkape ka kasi sa labas, sa mga coffee shop, 4 euro. Yung isang kape, diba? Wala nang mga tag 2 euro ngayon. So, 4 euro na. E, ang isang pack nito, we have 20 capsule. 4 euro 99. So, isang kape mo dun, 10 ang makape mo sa bahay. Kaya sabi ko, mas maganda magkape dito. Bili na lang ng mga capsule. Diba? Punong-puno na. Ayan. So, ang saya na naman ang buhay. Puno na naman yung ating kape. Bilis maubos, no? Ito, mga ano lang ito. 2 weeks. So, we have here a very special winter coffee. So, since si Arya po ay aalis, dahil bukas po ang kanyang birthday, then kukunin po siya ng kanyang papa sa kanyang birthday. Mag-celebrate po tayo ng birthday niya bukas dito at saka sa kindergarten. After po ng celebration ng kanyang birthday sa kindergarten, ay kukunin po siya ng kanyang papa dahil ang wish ni Arya ay sa tropical island. What's your wish?
Wait, Mama wanted to
Yeah.
say something. But why is my bag open?
Yeah, because I put some of your advanced calendar here. So, ibibigay na po natin sa kanya yung kanyang calendar gift dahil gagamitin niya po today. Dahil naisip ko kasi gagawa po siya ng card. Kasi walang kindergarten, so naisip ko na better na magawa siya ng mga cards for her brothers and the other family members, the other loved ones. So, we have here the 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. She will come back here in Bonn. So you can open now the 13. Wait, I
Why
need to
the
get my
13?
bag.
Because it's not just 13, Mama.
Huh?
It's not just 13.
But you're not here. That's why I told you to open it until 18. So what you got?
I got like a
Like a-
note.
Yeah, you can also put here the card. You can also draw here. Ah, that's my idea. You can draw here. Yeah? And then in the 14th,
What is this?
it's just a cellophane for covering it. And then the 14th, Langga. What is it? You can go here in the middle, so it's not so yeah, easier for you, yeah. And more. What is that?
It is a pen.
Yeah, color pens. And then 15.
I got a sticker.
Yeah.
Wait, why there's a glue?
Yeah, because it was covered before. And then on 16th, na? On 16, ooh,
Eraser.
yeah. And then 2 more. Go. Shelf do. And for 17, another pencils. And then at 18, so I help you. Another highlighters. Yes.
Can you see inside?
So
It's hard.
I'm gonna help you later. So we're gonna use now because you said you're bored. So you're gonna use now. On the 19th, you will when you come, then you can open your calendar, yeah? Dahil bored po yung bata, dahil nga pinauwi po siya from kindergarten, kaya nagawa po siya ngayon ng card. No, don't put your feet there. Not in the table. Here, and this is not also a chair. It's a glass. Oh, yeah. So now you can make your own card. Ayan, you. Where is your the thing for your for your pencils? For your pencils.
Sharpener?
Ah, okay. Now she have all the materials that she needs, but I will teach you how. Should I give you something like where you can copy? I can also give you. So, I think you can delete that. What is-
Delete?
Yeah.
Erase.
Erase. So, what's my idea lang that you can draw here, for example, for
We're not here.
Nee, draw here, and then after you draw, you can put here in the front of the card, because the card supposedly here is the design, and here inside is the message. The message is more surprising. So, yeah.
Yeah. What should I draw then? Hello.
Hi, now we're gonna bake for Arya's birthday. We're gonna bake a 30 muffins. The first part is the preparation. So we have all the ingredients here, and we are also wearing apron for our clothes. Yes.
I thought we were gonna make dough.
Dough.
Yeah.
First the muffin, because the
Okay.
muffin is very important. Because we asked the kindergarten and they said that no cake, only muffins, and you don't need to bring extra Frühstück or breakfast, because we are paying in kindergarten for a year for the breakfast, like yearly.
But I
payment
didn't
for-
even eat.
in kindergarten. Yeah, that's why when you early, then you can eat. If you're not early, you cannot eat. Oh, what is it?
So,
Yeah, can you get it, please?
yep.
we're gonna do our own ingredients. We're gonna mix our own dry ingredients.
Dry.
Yeah. So we put 3 cups.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Yeah. So we're gonna make like, wait for a while. This is 3. So I can make like 4 cups.
Ooh. Can I?
This is
Put
3. Yeah, 3. And we still need 2 cups. So 5 cups.
You have powder always, and it's so
So
soft.
here, 2. Overall, 5 cups. So ang isang, ano pala nito? Ang isang pack pala ng flour na ganito is, I think 7 cups. Kasi 7 or 6 cups. 5. And then, next is, we need a 1.5 cups of granulated, granulated na. Congratulations! Granulated. Parang nag-graduate na ka. Granulated sugar. So, since wala tayong vanilla, we have vanilla sugar. So, you can put all this vanilla sugar. So, it will be more tasty and more smells good. So, open. Yes. So we can put all the dirt here. All the.
We have actually a lot of here. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All the dirt here, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, come. Help me. You can help me.
One more?
Can you put all
One
of
more?
this here? Yeah.
One more?
You open everything. It's vanilla. Smells good.
Can I smell?
Sorry. You better buy a really vanilla because we have no vanilla. Yeah, good job.
Oh!
Tingnan nyo, may balahibo pa. It's okay. It's a style, okay?
Last one? Mama!
Sorry about the last time, yeah? Gano'n ako siya ba? Sakit di ay. Hilakay siya.
Oh.
How much is it now?
5.
5. One more. Woo! We're almost there. Yeah. And then,
Mama.
done. And then mix this.
Put it inside.
Yeah.
Mix it.
Mix. Then,
You wanna see? Mama done?
yeah. Okay. Put it here. Woo. In the middle. Yeah. Good.
Can I mix?
And now we need oil. So, are you gonna mix and I'm gonna get oil? Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, how many oil?
Whoa, this is hard. Dee, look.
1/2 cup. So
Whoa.
I make a 1 cup.
Are you bored? Are you waiting for me? Then what are you doing?
Just washing.
Oh. Love the enough reindeer. Whoa, it's like a dough, Dean. It's like a
So here's the oil. Put our oil here. Ooh, it's a lot, I think. We have a BU milk.
Now can I mix?
You can put like
Can I mix?
3/4 cup. What's a 3/4? 3.5? 3/4 cup. Gonna help. Oh, good.
Yeah, but my hands hurt.
Yeah, I know because it's a lot of. This is a lot of muffins. So we're gonna make a lot of muffins.
And then dough.
We'll now put our toppings. We have here our himbeeren, or this is something in English.
Raspberries.
We have raspberries
And we have blueberries.
Oh, you know better than mom. So these are for your classmates, okay?
And for me also.
Yeah, you
Don't
can-
forget.
Yeah, we will bake this with
I
love.
think we need more.
So our first 12 raw cupcake is done, and we need like 1, 2, 4 more. 4 more layers of this. So
Why 4 more layers?
I'm gonna put here. Yeah, because we need like 40.
Look how much. That's why I'm eating those.
Oh my god. So I'm here to help my daughter.
Close, baby. Can you hold me close, baby? I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing me.
Natapos na po yung ating 24 pieces. Normally, mag-order tayo ng muffins. So, naisip ko, mag-order tayo, ang gagastusin natin is around like 2 euro each muffin times 2 euro times 44. Magkano? Kung mag-order tayo, it's around 88 euro. So, it's better na we do handmade or we do self-bake. Hindi lang po siya sa makakatipid, kundi mas masarap at alam natin kung ano ang andito, ano ang nilagay. And of course, yung favorite ni Arya na earthbeeren or raspberry and himbeeren, blueberry and raspberry. Yan! So, another 24 pieces. And ilalagay po natin ito sa box. Yeah, para bukas. Okay. Let's bake. Let's bake again. Dito, doon ka. And let's bake again. Dapat 180 lang siya. Okay, thank you. Danke. Ito pa yung iba. So, grabe yung ano natin, no? Dami nating i-bake. Plano bukas, after natin magbigay ng cupcakes sa kindergarten, and then susunduin natin siya. Tapos pagdating ito sa bahay, ay kukunin po si Arya ng kanyang ama, ng kanyang papa. And then dadalhin po siya sa Berlin. And magstay po siya doon ng around 1 week. Malalayo po si Arya sa atin ng 1 week. Pero sabi ko na dapat isa ulit niya sa weekend kasi meron po tayong sasalihan na Christmas party sa church. And nakakommit na po tayo na magbigay ng performance. Mag-perform tayo sa church. Ay, sa Christmas party. So, mag-perform tayo sa Christmas party. Kaya yun po yung plano. Nakakalungkot po na malayo sa ating anak. Pero ganun talaga. Ganun po talaga ang setup ng co-parenting. Gusto ko pa rin kasi ni Arya na mararamdaman niya na meron po siyang tatay, na meron po siyang ama. At yan po ang rights niya. And ayoko pong ma-feel niya ba na kulang or merong mga pagbabago. Although merong mga pagbabago kasi medyo malayo. Pero dati pa naman kasi nasanay na kami na palaging wala yung tatay niya kasi palagi po siyang work. Like 24 hours, 36 hours. Palaging wala sa bahay. So nasanay na siya. So hindi na bago sa kanya na palaging wala yung tatay niya. Gusto kong maramdaman pa rin niya na kahit ganito yung nangyayari, eh meron pa rin siyang parents. Meron siyang mommy and daddy. So yan, ibig na natin. Kaya nauna na yun. Hindi lang na. Ooh! Ayan, looks perfect. Galak ka talaga. Parang naparami yung ating baking powder. Ano ba nangyari dito? Pero, oh, it looks good. Look! Ano nangyari sa baba? Diyos ko, Lord. Wait lang. Ano natin to? Itaas natin. Baka... Ano nangyari? Tingnan nyo, oh. Wala na siyang mapa. Tingnan natin, mag-wait tayo ng mga 5 minutes. Baka bubuka siya tataas. Katulad nito, but this looks so perfect, guys. Pero parang siyang fluffy na dog. So cute. Diba? Ang cute na rin. The second batch for me looks better. Looks good. Actually, although it's so cute, like a dog. Puppy. No? Parang siyang, so cute. Gusto ko siyang alagaan. So guys, ito na po yung ating second batch na nasa baba kanina, nag-fluffy. Wala, parang na siyang mamoon or para siyang pandesal. Pandesal na may kulay. Yun ang cute, oh! Naging bread na siya. Parang hindi na siya muffin. Lang init pala, no? Ayan. So, both of this, ilalagay natin ito sa box. Iba-iba yung style, no? Tingnan mo, oh. Ito yung nasa top. Tapos ito yung nasa baba. Yan ang nangyari. Kakaiba, no? Baka anong sasabihin nila, no? At least, self-made. Nag-effort si Arya. At syempre, ang mama. Support. Kaya, ano mo natin, palamigin na natin ng siguro mga 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. Malamig na po yan siya.
Wow! I want need to see this.
Different kind of
Mess up a little bit and it's so big.
No, it was my mom.
Oh.
I don't know why it happened like that. One is so going up, one is like flat, one is like not really cooked. I don't but it's from the bake.
Look how tall.
Ay, don't touch.
Oh.
So guys, kakain na po tayo. Ito na po yung ito na po yung ating adobo na may liver. And meron din po tayo itong pancit canton na may liver din. So it's all mixed.
And rice.
And
the
rice.
Most important.
Yes, the most important. And it's
water
been,
is most important.
yeah, and it's been a long time that Arya asking for adobo. So now wish come true because Arya gonna drive tomorrow. Sit properly lang ga. You're gonna drive tomorrow and you will not be here in this house because you're gonna drive to Berlin. And okay.
This is actually not the adobo, what I mean.
Ah, the other adobo.
Yeah. Which was the small.
Ah, yung mga ano, yung maliliit. Ah, because the adobo that she knows is the adobo that is with a lot of sauce and smaller one. Without a bowl. Right? So, it's okay. This is the side, the other kind of adobo. Okay, let's pray now. Okay, before we pray, we're gonna say thank you for watching. Okay? And we are excited for your birthday tomorrow. I hope that your classmates gonna like the muffins that we bake. And thank you for watching.
And please
Watch more, and subscribe,
like and share. Bye. Peace.
Hi guys, today is December 12, 7:43 in the morning. But I woke up like 6:30 1 hour ago. I woke her up 1 hour ago. She just woke up. And we are now giving our surprise cake for Arya kasi akala niya wala siyang cake today. So, anuhin ko muna siya, pukawin ko muna siya bago natin iyan yung candle, okay? So, dyan po si Arya. Tulog na tulog po siya. Grabe yung mahilig pa. Kawawa naman ang bata natin. Okay, i-change muna natin yung ating calendar sa 12, Friday. Baby, good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Songgibonstag feel good.
Songgibonstag feel good.
Look at Tia.
Songgibonstag feel good.
birthday. Okay, now today is your birthday and you are 53 years old. 60. You are 6 years old. So happy birthday. Look up to you. You said you have no cake? It's a surprise. We have a cake, but it's styrofoam. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Arya. Okay, blow, 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 blow. Blow, faster. Faster with your Your birthday. Ein Kuss. Ein Kuss. Oh, ein Kuss dann. Yeah.
Happy birthday.